We've got a real treat for you today, as we've got the latest details on the newest Toyota Tundra that hits dealerships soon. You know Toyota as the most reliable brand on the market. Toyota brings the legendary durability of the Tundra to new heights by introducing a range of powerful options and unique packages that let you design the perfect Toyota Tundra truck for your lifestyle. Check out the unique specs and packages that'll shake up the whole industry. Tundra's revolutionary engine set the stage. Toyota made the fantastic decision to use one of the coolest engines ever in the 3.4-liter V6. All levels of the Tundra use the same engine, but higher trim levels can opt for more power in several ways. The base model Tundra SR uses a detuned 3.4-liter twin-turbo that makes an impressive 348 horsepower, but we think most people are going to skip this package. We'll get into that later, but the engine that's really impressive is the one used in all but the lowest trim level. It's the same 3.4-liter twin-turbo 6, but now providing 389 horsepower and a ridiculous 479 pound-feet of stump-pulling torque. This motor is a beast and it'll give the Tundra an edge over everything else on the market. One of the revolutionary decisions here is the lack of V8 power. Almost every other manufacturer who offers a half-ton truck has at least one V8, but as we all know, the sun is setting on big displacement motors. It's all about efficiency these days, and the smaller turbo-powered motors that are coming onto the market are simply better in every way than the old-school V8s. There's just one transmission available this year, which is the latest 10-speed automatic. The transmission shifts buttery smooth. It is configured to provide the optimal gear ratio at any speed. It is one of the very best automatic gearboxes we've ever seen. The Tundra's not-so-mild hybrid will wow you. They call it a mild hybrid system because the electric motor complements the standard gasoline V6, but there's nothing mild about the gobs of power this package produces. Toyota slipped a 48 horsepower electric motor in there that takes the total power up to 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, you heard that correctly. This truck has nearly 600 pound-feet of torque for hauling, pulling, and grinding through your workday. This isn't just raw power either. Toyota uses a number of unique electronic settings to give you nearly unlimited control of how the power is applied. The latest hybrid design from Toyota is exactly the package we'd been hoping for since the 2022 redesign. This is the V6 that'll make you forget about the fact that it isn't a V8 because your truck will be more powerful, faster, and more efficient than those other guys running old-school tech that's on its way out of the door anyway. The Tundra offers more ways to make it your own. We love that Toyota went ahead and opened the options list for 2024 to give buyers the ability to add or remove many features for a fully custom build. Among the best options we've seen for the Tundra is the heads-up display that formerly required buyers to bundle with other less desirable options. You can just select the heads-up display in 2024 and give your truck a whole new level of safety. This is the tech of the future that is here today. We know you'll want it. Speaking of safety, one of the things that we love about the Tundra is that Toyota made the decision to include the full Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 package standard across all ranges. This gives you all of the best driver safety features like lane departure warnings and blind spot monitoring without having to add an expense to the truck. Kudos to Toyota for making sure that safety isn't an option. Not only do you get access to an unprecedented level of options, but Toyota is also bringing 7 different configurations to market and has unique packages to add even more custom features. For example, you can select the limited grade package that gives you the powerful non-hybrid V6 and the stunning 12.3-inch infotainment display. Then you can add the Nightshade package that features blacked out wheels, grille, and trim to make the Tundra look menacing. Audiophiles aren't left out either. The bass stereo is a killer 9-speaker setup that rocks, but you're going to want to order your Tundra with an even better 12-speaker design that can be had with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Even more impressive is the top-of-the-line JBL stereo system available on the limited model. The options don't stop there though. Buyers looking for more pizzazz can go upmarket with the Tundra and select the 1794 edition. This is a fascinating truck with a Western theme that carries through to the leather seats and saddle-inspired colors. In case you didn't know, the 1794 edition pays homage to the former Texas ranch that is now home of the Tundra manufacturing facility. Yes, the Tundra is a made-in-the-USA truck, something that even the big three can't claim. At the very top of the line, you'll find the Capstone Edition. This luxury beast includes semi-aniline leather seats, acoustically dampened windows, and dozens of trick features that make this the most comfortable truck you'll ever drive. The Tundra offers more ways to work like a pro. We like trucks for their versatility and convenience, but the purpose has always been to make work easier. The newest 2024 Tundra has got you covered when it's time to hit the job site. With up to 12,000 pounds of towing capacity, the Tundra is ready to get busy, and the steel-reinforced bed even offers a payload capacity of up to 1,900 pounds. That's enough for all your gear and then some. 3 bed sizes are available depending on the model you select. The standard short bed measures 5.5 feet and is available on the CrewMax 4-door cab. The CrewMax also offers a longer 6.5-foot bed that is the standard size for the double cab model. Buyers who want to be able to fit a whole sheet of plywood in the bed are in luck because the double cab also offers an optional 8-foot bed. Throughout the interior of the truck, you'll find storage aplenty. This is one of the really neat features that many trucks don't offer. The amount of gear you can stash in the center console is totally mind-blowing. You'll always have a spot for your tools, cell phone, and anything else you need when you drive a Tundra. The 2024 Tundra is the best TRD ever. Toyota Racing Development constantly blows us away with forward-thinking designs and advanced technology that make it easier to get out in the wild. The 2024 Tundra TRD Pro model is a stunner both because of the way it looks and the way it performs. A brand new coil rear spring suspension makes the Tundra float over rough roads and gives the driver easy control when navigating rock piles. Buyers can get 3 different models of the TRD package. All include factory suspension changes over the standard Tundra. The base TRD Tundra comes with 18-inch wheels, Bilstein shocks, a locking rear differential, skid plates, mud guards, and even a heated leather steering wheel. Moving up to the TRD Pro raises the suspension another inch, replaces the Bilsteins with coilover Fox shocks with reservoirs, and includes a specially designed front anti-sway bar that is unique to the TRD Pro. It is easy to build the perfect TRD truck with extensive options available. Things like towing mirrors, special cameras, and advanced technology can be added or deleted to build the Tundra TRD of your dreams. Toyota recognizes that not all truck buyers are into off-road performance. In fact, many trucks are used for street performance, and that is where the TRD Sport package comes in. This one lowers the suspension and adds special stabilizers to improve high-speed cornering stability. It isn't a slug either. The TRD Sport turns in a 0 to 60 time of 6.1 seconds, and it'll hit the electronically governed top speed in just under 16 seconds. Pricing and availability. We are eager to get our paws on this awesome brand new truck, and you are too. Toyota announced pricing for 2024, and there's even a slight decrease from 2023 in the price of the base model, now coming in at just $39,000. Stepping up to the SR5 package, which we think almost everyone will do, means just a slight jump in price to $47,000. At the high end is the capstone model. They'll go on sale for an eye-watering $78,000. Buyers can go online and use the Toyota Tundra configurator tool to select the options they want and see what the manufacturer's price will be. The exact date that the 2024 Tundra will be available isn't yet known, but Toyota said to expect dealership deliveries to begin in the fall of 2023. That means you won't have to wait much longer to get yourself the best new Toyota Tundra truck that is set to shake up the industry with cool packages, unique features, and a range of options that set it apart from other trucks out there. If you've been on the fence about buying a new Toyota, now is the time to act. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.